Hello there! Have a wonderful day! How are you? My name is Teacher Lin, and I'm from the beautiful country of the Philippines. I am passionate ESL teacher who truly loves helping students how to learn and grow confidently. I have also had 2 years of face-to-face teaching experience in the children's department at our church community. This experience has helped me a lot to become more patient, more understanding, and more flexible teacher as I've learned how to handle different personalities and support their unique learning needs. In my beginner class, I use TPR, Total Physical Response. For example, pwede ka bang magsalita? Naririnig mo ba ako? Anong nakikita mo sa isang larawan? Pusa! Magaling! Pwede mo pa sabihin ulit na ang nakikita ko sa isang larawan ay mga pusa? Great job! Ilang pusa ang nakikita mo sa isang larawan? Apat! Great job! Pwede mo ba sabihin ulit na ang nakikita ko sa isang larawan ay apat na pusa? As your teacher, I will do my best to help you, to guide you every step of the way. I will create a positive environment for you to feel comfortable and expressing yourself and learning your Tagalog speaking language confidently. Don't feel shy if you make a mistake, because mistakes are part of the growth. I correct mistakes in a gentle, respectful and positive way. I'm so excited to be a part of your learning journey. Let's grow and have fun together. Book your first lesson with me. See you in my class. Bye bye.